My music teacher used to say the right note played at the wrong time is the wrong note. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a metronome to play those right notes at the right time. If you're working on a piece of music, you probably started by learning the notes first. You've made note of the time signature and the key signature, and you've got an idea of the rhythm. Once you're fairly comfortable with where these notes fall on your instrument, it's time to make sure that your timing is locked in. Start with something that you're already comfortable with. This means you should know the notes, which fingers you will use, and know the rhythm of the piece or section. If your metronome gives you the option, set your time signature. I'm going to practice in 4/4 time. Pick your tempo. A moderate tempo like 70 beats per minute is a good place to start. If you're new to the metronome and start too slow, it can be difficult to get locked in with the beat. If you start too fast, you might not be able to keep up, and your technique may suffer. I'm going to demonstrate playing the C major scale. In this case, each note I'm playing is a quarter note, and each beat on the metronome is a quarter note. You'll hear that every note lines up with a click of the metronome. At least, it should if I'm playing in time. As you get comfortable with a piece at your starting tempo, you can increase the tempo. If you feel locked in at 72 beats per minute, you can increase it to 76. Make sure as you increase your speed, you stay focused on good technique and even playing. You can make huge improvements in your playing if you take the time to practice with a metronome. Just like learning an instrument, learning to use the metronome takes some time, so be patient and keep at it. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so that we know you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.